Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, again, I think for every cooking video, I'm gonna have a intro like this. I don't have like a whole professional like intro for my cooking videos just because I'm not gonna be sitting in the kitchen where my mom is and it's hella busy and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't really have time for intros like this, but I have an intro. This is my intro. I'm editing the video right now. We made flautas. Oh my god, they're so freaking good. They're my boyfriend's favorite, so that's kind of why I made them too, because I wanted to give him some so he could see that I can actually fucking cook. No, I'm kidding. He be thinking I can't cook, and I could cook, so I had to prove him wrong. No, I'm kidding. I also wanted to just show you guys how to make them because they're like an amazing dish. I hope you guys enjoy this video and try it. Let me know if you do. Let me know how you do them, if you do anything differently. And yeah, if you want to see how my family makes flautas de pollo, then continue watching. Okay, so to get started, you want a little pot pan thing like this, and you just want to pour some oil in there. My mom was telling me how much to put. She was like, girl, you need to put a lot. So I was putting hella oil, but towards the end, you're gonna see that you don't need that much oil. We're gonna end up putting it back in a little cup in case we need more, but having enough oil is important because as you go on cooking the flautas, you're gonna have to like add more oil as they go because obviously the tortilla like absorbs some of the oil. So even like if you add a lot, you might want to take that little bit off and then save it for the rest of the flautas. So as you can see, this is the amount that I actually put at first, and then my mom helped me pour some out and put it in the little cup just in case I needed it. You won't always need a lot, so you just want to have a good amount, at least to cover the whole base of the pan. So as you can see, I wanted to show you guys, we have it around medium heat. You can turn it up or turn it down depending on your preference and how long you want them to cook. So we put medium just because, you know, I'm barely learning or whatever. So right here, my mom was showing me how to do them. And basically, you put the tortilla, you warm it up on the little comal just so it can like loosen up and you can fold it, and then you stuff it with chicken. So you don't want to stuff the middle, you want to stuff the edge and have it like in a little corner, and then you just roll it up. So as you can see, she was like, no girl, you doing this. So I'm just rolling it up, and then I leave it on the little tail where like the last fold was at. I put that on the bottom just so it won't unfold, and then I kept doing a lot of those, as you'll see right now. And yeah, my mom was like, F that, I'm leaving. So once my mom left, I honestly just got the hang of it. So right here I have the chicken in like a little plate bowl thing, and then I have where I'm rolling the tortillas, and I have the comal right next to me. So you want to have everything nearby just so you can have everything organized and do it faster. So right here I was just flipping the tortilla, waiting for it to be a little loose and warm, and then I obviously took it out, I put it on the plate, and then that's where I grab my chicken. And you don't want to grab a lot, you don't want to grab too little, but you want to make sure you have the right amount. And you also want to make sure that you have the tortilla on this like right side. So you want to make sure that you're putting it on the inside of the tortilla so that when you fold it, everything's on the outside. So right here I'm just stuffing the chicken. I'm just showing you guys once again, and you just roll all of the chicken and tortilla up. making sure that none of the chicken ends up sticking out too much, because when it does, the oil is gonna pop and burn you. Okay, so here's my trial and error. This is my first time doing it on my own. My mom was just explaining to me to put them where the last fold is at, to put that on the bottom just so it won't unfold. And I'm obviously being super, super careful because I don't want any of the oil to jump at me. So that is what I'm doing. I'm doing them but one by one and then lined up. I'll show you guys right now, but I'm just slowly putting each of them in, and that's honestly all you do. You just fold it, you put them in, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. So one of the biggest tips that is very important and that I really suggest you do is pouring flour on your flautas. So not a lot of flour, just flour. You don't even have to pour it on the actual flautas. You want to pour it like on the side where the excess oil is at, just so that the oil can absorb that and then not jump at you and at your face and everything like that. So that is a really, really big tip that you want to consider in doing. So as you can see, the flour is like on the sides, and yeah, that was really, really helpful. So here I just wanted to show you guys the whole process again and how my flautitas were looking. They were looking so good. They are. So this was the after. You can see that they're already kind of crispy. So you want to just every so often twist them, not twist them, but like turn them around. And then these were already ready. So when you see them kind of golden brown, you want to take them out just so they won't be extra burnt. So you want to pour the oil out, and then put them in a little container like this with napkins so that the napkins can absorb the excess oil. And you just want to do this for all of your flautas. So once you have your flautas in the container, all you want to do is just pour a little bit of salt while they're still hot, just to give it a little bit of flavor, and then let them cool off, and then you can eat it. So right now I'm going to show you a clip of my mom chopping up some lechuga. You can put salsa, whatever. I'm going to show you guys a clip of my boyfriend eating them so you can know how good they turned out.
A ver, ¿cómo te salieron?
So usually it comes with salsa and this and crema. He doesn't like crema, so he's only putting lechuga and the salsa. I'm trying to get Kenny out. Yeah.
So you made them?
Yeah, I made them.
Smile, come.
They're good?
The chicken's fresh. Not too oily. And overall, 9 out of 10 flauta. 10 out of 10.
Shut up. So you like my flautas?
Yeah, that's right.
Cool.